Hey there, fellow future real estate tycoons. Welcome to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your go-to guru, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're kicking off a series that'll teach you how to snag those on-market properties like a pro. But before we dive in, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. We're about to unlock the secrets of purchasing on-market properties. All right, my newbie investors, let's tackle the wild world of on-market properties, one step at a time. Step 1, suit up and show up. Get ready to browse through listings. It's like online shopping, but for houses. Dive into the listings and start making a short list of properties that catch your eye. Step 2, research like a detective. Dig deep into the details of your shortlisted properties. What's the neighborhood like? What's the price history? Any red flags? Be a real estate detective. Step 3, crunch the numbers. Calculate your budget, down payment, and potential mortgage. Don't forget about closing costs and other expenses. It's all about being financially savvy. Step 4, agent up. It's time to find yourself a reliable real estate agent. They're like your house hunting sidekick, guiding you through the process and helping you negotiate like a pro. Step 5, offer wisely. Craft a compelling offer that stands out. It's not just about the price, it's about the terms, contingencies, and your commitment. Now, why the whole secret identity thing? Well, let me tell you. In this real estate game, there are industry secrets that some folks would rather keep hidden. If we were to reveal our true identities, it might stir the pot with other industry leaders. So for now, consider us your real estate superheroes, the anonymous ones. And guess what, dear viewers? This is just the first video in our series on different ways to purchase real estate investment properties. From on-market deals to off-market gems, we've got you covered. But here's where you come in. We want to hear from you. What specific property acquisition methods do you want us to explore next? Share your ideas in the comments below. Your suggestion might become our next video. Thanks for joining us on Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert advice. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll continue to unravel the world of real estate investing. Until then, remember, with the Real Estate Sensei as your guide, purchasing on-market properties is a breeze.